Welcome to Wizard.com. I am Maths teacher Neeta and this is our question. Find the values of m and n for which the following pair of linear equations have an infinite number of solutions. And the given equations are 6x plus 7y equal to 8, and this equation can also be written as 6x by 8 plus 7y by 8 equal to 1. So we are making the constant term 1 here. Let this be first equation. Similarly, the second equation given is this relation of x and y, m plus n times x plus m minus n times y equal to 2m minus 10. Here also we will make the constant term 1 by dividing LHS and RHS by 2m minus 10. So the final equation that we'll get is this, and let's say this equation is equation 2. Now equation 1 and 2 have infinite number of solution. It is given equation 1 and 2 have infinite number of solution. So since they have infinite number of solutions, we should compare the x and y coefficients from equation 1 and 2. So let us compare that. Therefore, comparing coefficients of x and y, we get, let's compare the x coefficient first. So after comparing first equation, the coefficient of x will get 4m plus 4n equal to 6m minus 30, or you can say 2m minus 4n equal to 30. So let this be third equation. Now similarly what we will do is we will compare the y coefficient. So after comparing the y coefficient, we will get m minus n by 2m minus 10 equal to 7 by 8. Now let us simplify this equation. So we will get another relation in m and n, and that is 4m minus 4n equal to 3m minus 35, or you can say 3m plus 4n equal to 35. Let this be fourth equation. Now if we add equation 3 and 4, we can see 4n will get cancelled. So let us do that. Adding equation 3 and 4, we get, in the left hand side we will get 5m equal to 30 plus 35. So from here 5m is 65 and m is 13. So n will be equal to 35 minus 3m by 4. We have used equation 4. So let us substitute the value of m as 13. So if we simplify it, n will be equal to minus 1. So m is 13 and n is minus 1. Now let us check the option. So 13 and minus 1 is option A. Hence we can conclude that the answer is option A.